Hello everyone. This video will demonstrate how to test a solar panel using the Kunkin KP184 electronic load along with the Interflexo Modbus software. When connecting the solar panel wiring cables to the electronic load, please observe the correct polarity. Before establishing the serial connection with the electronic load, please make sure the software communication settings match the settings programmed on the Kunkin operating panel. Use this button to check the software configuration. Please pay close attention to device communication address. CRC least significant byte first option for 2020 and later firmware Kunkin units if you have trouble establishing a connection. USB to serial adapter system configured COM port number. Baud rate. Use this button to toggle the serial connection on/off status. The serial connection status indicator should light up. Switch between various extended test modes to solar panel test. This mode allows the user to perform a configurable constant voltage sweep load to test all the solar panel current voltage operating points for diagnostic or manufacturer specifications confirmation. Set the test start voltage, usually 0 volts for short circuit current evaluation. Set the test stop voltage. Use something above the maximum expected open circuit voltage. Set the sweep voltage step and step time. A smooth interpolation will be performed along the configured sample period. Start the solar panel test. You can watch while the solar panel characteristic IV curve graph is being plotted in real time. The curve in red represents the panel output current in amperes. The curve in light blue represents the panel output power in watt. The two red dots represent the maximum power point in both curves. When finished, you can check out the test results. Open circuit voltage, short circuit current, maximum output power, current at maximum power point, voltage at maximum power point. Now let me show how to create a detailed PDF report with this test results. Use the Report tab to fill in the tested device's brand, model and serial. Press this button to generate the PDF report. The PDF report is automatically named and saved on the user configured folder. This concludes today's presentation. Please check the application download links on the video description below. And thanks for watching.